Have you noticed that after 40, no matter how long you sleep, you still wake up feeling drained? It's not just age. There are real reasons behind it, some natural, some hidden. Let's walk through them step by step. First, the natural aging process itself. As we get older, the body makes less melatonin, the sleep hormone. That means falling asleep is harder, and staying asleep is even harder. On top of that, your internal body clock, the circadian rhythm, starts shifting. You may find yourself waking up at 3 or 4 a.m. even when you don't want to. And because of these changes, your deep sleep, the stage that truly restores energy, gets shorter. That's why 7 hours at 25 doesn't feel the same as 7 hours at 45. But biology is only one piece of the puzzle. The second big reason, life itself. At midlife, stress from work, family, and money keeps your brain overactive, even while you sleep. Hormonal shifts make things worse. Men often lose testosterone, women go through menopause, both leading to lighter, broken sleep. And then, hidden health issues creep in: sleep apnea, frequent bathroom trips, high blood pressure, even acid reflux. All of these can wake you up without you realizing why. And when you add lifestyle habits to the mix, late-night coffee, heavy dinners, too much screen time, it's no surprise you wake up tired. The good news is, you're not stuck with this. You can reset your body by sticking to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Shutting down screens an hour before bed, and making your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Getting morning sunlight to reset your internal clock. Exercising lightly during the day, so your body naturally wants rest at night. And if tired mornings continue, check your health. Sometimes fixing sleep apnea or balancing hormones is the missing piece. So, if you always wake up tired after 40, don't just accept it as normal aging. Your body is giving you clues, and with the right habits, and sometimes medical support, you can wake up refreshed again. Because good sleep isn't just about rest, it's the foundation for energy, focus, and a longer, healthier life.